G'day guys, welcome back to Brodie Tries New Things, and this is Brodie and Emma's cooking vlogs, and tonight we are making baked potatoes. So I'm going to insert here the first step. The first step is cooking the potatoes. So I've already put the potatoes on because we're trying a new way, which I will explain in my little bit I'm going to put in, but we don't know if this is actually going to work or not. But I'm cooking the potatoes in the slow cooker. So g'day guys, Brodie here from Brodie Tries New Things, and this is another cooking vlog. Brodie and Emma's cooking vlogs. Emma's not here, I'm just going to start the cooking process. So we're doing baked spuds. So I've got potatoes, foil. I'm going to try something new today, so this is either going to work or it's not. You'll know by the end whether this was the shittest idea ever or not, but I'm going to wrap the potatoes in foil and I'm going to put them in the slow cooker for 12 hours, see what happens. Well, probably not 12 hours, probably 6 hours, 8 hours now, but we will see how it works, and I can do it longer or shorter. So first step is to wash our potatoes, and then we're going to put some oil in the foil and then wrap them up. So the oil I'm going to use is olive oil. It has got truffle in it, so if you don't know, truffle oil is like what is it, an aphrodisiac. So it will make your woman a little bit happier tonight. So try and sneak a little bit of that in every meal and you'll have a happy life. Happy life, happy wife, happy life, as you know. So if you put that in, everyone will be happy. So truffle oil in, and we'll wrap them up, put them in. So I'm just going to wash these potatoes and then I'll put you back on once they're washed, and I'll oil them and foil them for you. Okay, welcome back. So I've got my foil here, I've got my truffle infused extra virgin olive oil. We just want to douse some oil on, get our freshly washed potato, make sure it's got plenty of oil on it, and then we just want to wrap him up like so. So we'll do that for all our potatoes. So generally you want to get really big potatoes, you can just use one potato per person, but I just get normal potatoes, do 2 per person. So we'll get these wrapped up and then we'll put them in our slow cooker. I'll show you how to do that in a second. Okay, so you'll notice when you're done that you'll have like a big scrunch part. So put your scrunch part down into the slow cooker. Again, this is just theory at the moment because I've never tried this before. We are trying this for the first time. So I have them on. So it's currently, I don't know, about 9 o'clock, 9:30. I'm just going to put these on now and I'll pull them back out at 6 o'clock to do the rest. So that's it there. Just going to put them on now. I'm going to put it on the low setting, which is 12-hour cooking setting, I think. We'll see how we go. So I'm just going to put them on and I'll meet you back up when I have Emma here later. Thank you. Bye. Alright, so our ingredients, other than obviously the potatoes, I've just put some bacon in. So you want your bacon crispy. I have 7 potatoes. I want 1.5 pieces of bacon per potato. So that's what we've done. She finds it funny, I do not. Alrighty, so back to the ingredients. So this one is hers. This is crushed pineapple. We'll explain that one later. Alright, so if you don't know what a baked potato is, you bake the potato, or jacket potato for you Yanks. So we cut it open, we put sour cream in it, which she's going to fetch. That sounds really bad, but she's going to get from in the fridge. I'm about to make some garlic butter. So you melt your garlic butter on it, some cheese, put your sour cream on. We've got coleslaw, we've got mayonnaise to go in the coleslaw, we've got some sweet chili, we've got some real parmesan thankfully, we've got some cheese which I've already grated, sweet chili sauce which I've already mentioned I think. A little bit of lemon juice. You know I like to put lemon juice in my coleslaw. It's different, I know, but that's me, different. So we're going to put all this on there and it's going to be scrumptious. Yeah, so we started off ages ago. We did have a competition to who can make the best baked potatoes. Mine were better. Mine came with a song. 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4. My potato better than your. So we know these are going to be good potatoes, so be ready. Okay, so we're just going to make the coleslaw and blend up the pineapple.
I got crushed.
It's already pre-crushed, don't have to blend it up today. So I'm going to mix some parmesan with the cheese, so that's ready to go. I'm going to make my garlic butter and my coleslaw, so get ready for that. Which one do you want to do?
Coleslaw.
Coleslaw.
I don't care.
Coleslaw over here, garlic butter here.
So we just put in some parmesan in with the cheese, and you've got to sort of, this stuff is not crispy, bally, so you've got to break it up a bit as you
Know your way around some bowls.
There's some balls in here.
Some bowls in there.
See, there's balls, chunks, balls. Alright, and then just sort of mix it in, just gives the cheese a bit of a flavour. You can get that fancy pizza stuff in a packet if you want plastic and wood chips in your cheese. I'm not a huge fan of that. So we do it this way.
Yep.
And there you go.
Now I'm going to make some garlic butter. Okay, so we're doing the coleslaw. So we just got packed coleslaw and freaking great and 6 million different things. That's it there. So while Emma gets the mayonnaise open, I'll do the lemon juice. So just some lemon juice and just like that. Or if you've got a lemon, just a quarter of a lemon. Just squeeze some quarter in there.
Open, but the seal was on.
Yes, I opened it earlier. So there's my butter. That's going there in a second. We'll do this first. So a bit more. One more. Right, then mix that in. So if you're like me and you like chili or any of them sort of things, I'm a chili lover. I did leave out the spring onion. I do have to grab that from the garden. But in this, we want to mix this around. And you can put a little bit of chili sauce in there for a bit of extra kick, but it isn't needed.
Yeah.
So that's, so now we'll do the garlic butter. So we're going to pinch the spoon from in here, deep fry it. Alright. So I just want some butter. So if you think about it, we've got to do like 7 potatoes, as I said, so we want a little bit. Put it in there. Push all to the bottom. Get out a garlic. And a good heaped teaspoon.
And some more for good luck.
And a bit more just in case you didn't put enough in the first time. We will not, I repeat, will not have vampire trouble tonight. Okay, so just want to try to mix that in a little bit. Nothing too hectic. And then we're going to put in the microwave for a minute.
Into the microwave.
Okay, remember this from earlier? Important, don't forget that one. There's our butter. Now we just want to mix it until we get all that garlic goodness in there. And we'll just leave it. It will probably go hard again. But if it doesn't, even better, we can just drizzle it on that way. But I'm not too fussy. So we're pretty much ready now until we pull the potatoes out and put it all together. When the bacon is done, we will have to dice the bacon. We will dice it. Okay, so I've pulled out my potatoes after 8 hours. As you can see, they are cooked, beautiful and soft, but for jacket potatoes, we like to have a crispy outside, as you know. That's why I put the olive oil on there. So we're just gonna put them in the air fryer for like 5 minutes and just even crispy up the outside a little bit. But I checked the inside and they are beautiful and fluffy on the inside.
And
so
they smell amazing.
they smell great. Because the idea with the actual way they used to be done back in the day is you used to cook them over the, like hot coals. So slow cooker, hot coals, similar thing. So they're going to taste absolutely great.
Ooh,
but
this one's quite dark.
yeah, that could be one I just left the dirt on.
Oh.
Just kidding. We washed them. You know that. You were there. But we'll just give them a little quick run over. Oh, yeah, they're a little soft because they've gone sweaty instead of crunchy.
Sweaty.
So our bacon's done, so we can cut that up whilst these are cooking.
Whoa! I'm fogging up. I can't see.
Show us your tits. That's alright, I got rock hard abs and no misogyny here. We're all showing off our bits. Okay, sit that on the oven.
No, I'm gonna leave that way.
Okay, be right back. Okay, so we'll just cut up our bakey into some little squaresies. I'm gonna put them in a bowl. and they'll be ready to go. Okay, so we put them in for how long?
10 minutes, 200.
10 minutes at 200. They're nice and crispy now. So perfecto. So we're gonna put them on a plate.
I could probably just put all of
You
them
could
on
probably,
one plate.
yep, probably. But that's alright. So now we get to the fun part, which is making them. Do you need this still?
Yeah, I was going to cut them on there.
You're gonna cut them on there,
no,
instead of
actually,
on
I'll
the
put them
plate?
on here. That's fine.
Probably did cut them on the plate.
Yeah. Caitlin's one over there.
Okay, so this is the next step. Cutting the potato into, I would cut it into quarters, but whatever, let's just do that. Let's cut it into sixths.
Just cut it until
Eight.
they're like this big. However big that is, that sort of size.
Okay, so while she's doing that, we've got the garlic butter.
Which we don't need to put on instantly because it doesn't need to melt.
So usually we'd just rush to get it on so it melts, but hey, it's already melted, so I've done a good job on that.
Oh, this
So
one's like a
pour that
different
on.
colour. It's like a yellowy colour.
And then cheese. You usually want to put some cheese on and melt the cheese on. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Some garlic butter.
Oh yeah, I think I cut that one way more times.
And some cheese. Okay. Now, want some bacon? So, we're done plenty of bacon, so we can be liberal with the bacon. Some garlic on that one.
Yeah, you got a spoon. You got
That's
a
alright.
spoon.
That must be mine because all this garlic on it. Get some cheese. Melt the cheese on. Okay. Some bakey on that one.
Which one's yours?
The back one.
This one?
Yep. So then we put some coleslaw on.
Do you want to use all of it?
Well, we probably don't need that much, but it's alright. We put a little bit on Caitlin's. So that's gonna last me 2 days. That one. I can't eat that whole thing.
Sorry.
That's alright. We always have leftovers the next day.
No, I was
Okay.
in your belly.
So now we're gonna put some sour cream on.
Sorry, I just like to mush it up so that it's...
One eternity later.
Okay, so this is the step where we put the sour cream on. So we've got sour cream on there. Now we're going to put some pineapple on.
Do you want pineapple on yours?
Yep. Right, that's enough for me. Some people like here's pineapple, it's like pizza. Don't actually meant to put it on. I just put it on there because it's there. I forgot my chives, so we're going to have to go out and get them. We'll have to put that on last.
Some people are like, what's the pineapple?
Some people like it liberal. Some people are weird.
Did you get different pineapple?
Okay.
Thank you.
Get some salt.
And I'll go
Put a
get
bit of
chives.
salt on while they get the chives. Okay. Now, can't forget the last bit, some more cheese. Lots of cheese. Okay. Sweet chili sauce over the top. And we're just going to put some chives on and we shall be done with that bit. Okay, so we've got our spring onion, fresh out of the garden. And we're just going to put a bit on top like so. Most of it's down
Missing.
here. That's okay. Get some on here.
We can rearrange it.
Realistically just there because we want it there. Yeah, I'll put on this one and we're done.
And make sure-
Okay. Now you better be getting a knife and fork and doing a taste test because we're going to do a taste test. We always do a taste test. Everyone knows we do taste tests. Taste test time. Okay, now for the grand taste test. Emma, you can do the honours because you always do the honours.
Oh, I really, Mushy on the inside, but crispy on the outside.
Okay.
Nice.
Perfecto. This week it is perfecto. So that's that done. So let's get into it. Let's demolish it. I was only joking about leaving some for tomorrow. That was too good to leave for tomorrow. I'm eating it all. I am eating it all. Forget the diet. Forget it all.
Welcome to Brodie Tries New Things. Brodie tries new things. Whoa, oh, oh. Brodie tries new things. YouTube channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Welcome to Brodie Tries New Things. Like, comment,